80 children sat a test. 36 are girls. 9 of the 80 children failed the test. 39 boys passed. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. So let's just look at one piece of information at a time. So the first bit, 36 of the children are girls. So 36 is going to go here, which means I can figure out how many boys there are by taking the girls away. So 80 take away 36, 10 take away 4, 10 take away 6 is 4, 7 take away 3 is 4, so that's 44 boys. And I've used that piece of information. 9 of the 80 children failed the test. So let's just put a star here and a star here. 9 failed. So let's remember to use that information in a bit. 39 of the boys passed. So I'll follow the boys section. Boys, 39 of them passed. So 44 take away 39 will give me the number that failed. So actually 5 failed. Now I've just filled in one of the stars that we noted down earlier, which means that now I can fill in the other star, because I know that the 2 stars, so this one and this one, they need to add up to 9. So if that's 5, this has got to be 4. And now I've got that there's 36 girls and 4 of those girls failed. So 36 take away 4 is 32, so 32 passed. One of the boys is chosen at random. Work out the probability that the boy failed. So let's just do this in a blue highlighter at the moment. One of the boys is chosen at random, so it's a boys is 44. Work out the probability that the boy failed. The failed boys are 5. So it's 5 out of 44, because that's all I'm only interested in the boys. I'm not interested in the whole lot. I'm only interested in the boys. So it's 5 out of 44.